Virgo! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, then leave it for a friend. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages para sa inyo. You are very confident, Virgo. Okay. Yeah. If there is something na gusto ninyong gawin, don't underestimate yourself, Virgo, kasi malakas kayo, matapang, meron kayong kakayahan to overcome challenges or to finish a job. So, mga task ninyo and all that, hindi nahirapan kayo, pero nandyan meron kayong angking lakas sa sarili na hindi kayo basta-basta natitinag, natatalo, or napapagod. Okay? For some of you, you are living you are financially secured, Virgo. Okay? You love luxurious things. Siguro marami ka na ring mga ipon, Virgo. You're living independently. You're single. Maganda. Okay? Pag sa work, you are someone na maaasahan. Parang hindi mo kailangan ng ibang mga kasama sa trabaho, no? Kasi parang kayang-kaya mo na ikaw lang. With your intelligence and hard work, masisipag kasi yung mga Virgo eh. No, Virgo? So whatever challenges that you have, now overcome ninyo. If you are launching a project, okay, may mga passion project kayo, creative project, this is the right time for you na i-launch mo na or gawin mo na. Wag na mag-procrastinate. Yeah. For some of you, you are living a situation na hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo. Okay, isang pangyayari or pag-iisip na nakaka-toxic na hindi na nakakabuti sa inyo, you're living it. Merong planning or discussion about moving a home or moving house or relocation, change of job. Okay. But someone is heartbroken. Sino kaya to, Virgo? Okay? May mga kailangang pagdesisyonan. You know that you will come to a situation na aalis ka or lilipat ka, but it seems na ayaw mong harapin. Okay? Definitely, merong malaking pera kang matatanggap or promotions, new contracts, okay, new projects. Very good, Virgo. Ang ganda ng energy na to. Okay. But then parang meron kang pinag-iisipan na that you're not decided yet. Okay. Maybe you are waiting for some confirmation. For some of you, merong delays when it comes to money, delay sa paglipat, okay? Someone is missing a family, nami-miss. Maybe your partner is working abroad, or you are missing or nami-miss mo yung partner mo or your family mo sa province, okay? You are reminiscing. Nagre-reminisce ka ng mga sitwasyon, pangyayari, back home, in your province. Okay? So, parang binabalanse mo lang yung emosyon mo kasi parang ayaw mo na made-depress ka lalo. Okay? There are also juggling of resources or money. Yeah. Okay. So, may challenges about wealth or about your money or sa career man. Okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari na hindi mo in-expect. Yeah. Okay? So, baka bigla ang to, hindi mo na-expect na may bigla kang matanggap or bigla kang makakatanggap ng promotion, okay, or money, or offer for you to work abroad or to relocate abroad. And this is something na hindi mo inaasahan. May hint ka na, may alam ka na, okay, but it seems you're not yet sure about it, and may bigla na lang news kang matatanggap, okay, na ikakasaya mo. Yeah. Okay, so you're living a situation na hindi na para sa'yo, okay, yung hindi na healthy or toxic situation. Kung ano man yung mga pagtitiis niyo before, Virgo, parang worth it, okay? May magandang mangyayari sa inyo. You just have to wait for the right time, or actually parang magugulat ka lang or may bigla lang mangyayari, very sudden, okay, na hindi mo inaasahan. Yeah. May mga fears ka, Virgo. So kailangan minsan you have to be strong, kailangan mong harapin. May mga bagay din minsan na hindi naman kailangan, pero parang ina-anticipate mo na yung hindi magandang mangyari, okay? Nagwo-worry ka too much. Kahit hindi problema, okay? Parang pinoproblema na. So, merong ganong situation dito, Virgo, no? That you have to be strong, na kailangan mong baguhin. Yeah. Okay. Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages sa inyo, Virgo. More messages for Virgo, please. For Virgo, funnel. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Okay. You have to be strong. Whatever challenges or frustrations that you have. Okay. May mga dalang leksyon yan for us na matututo the next time or in the future. Okay. So, kalma lang. Virgo, kung meron kayong mga disappointments and frustrations na nararanasan, tipat. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Okay. So, some of you have a special relationship with the same sex, of the same sex. Or you may be meeting someone. Okay, bubuo yung close friendship between you two. Happiness, okay? So, may nakaabang, may nag-aantay na kaligayahan sa inyo. Virgo. Heals, obstacles to overcome. See? So, do not overthink, okay? So, lahat ng mga challenges or obstacles, just listen to our intuition. Trust the process, ma-overcome yan, Virgo, okay? Kasi minsan, naano tayo ng paranoia. Yung hindi pa problem, pero parang pinoproblema mo na or wino-worry. Merong ganun eh. So, dogs, getting together with friends, okay? Soon, Maybe you will be meeting friends, old friends, and celebrate. Psychic ability. Trust your intuition. So, just what I've said, trust your intuition. Okay? Pakiramdaman. And wag masyado mag-think ng negative. Okay? Wag mag-anticipate na mga negative things. Okay? Stay away from negative thoughts. Virgo. Let us see kung ano pa. Message please, more message, additional message for Virgo, please. Virgo, okay. When there are questions you need assistance with, go inward. Sit with yourself, meditate on the question, ask for our help also. Then trust your intuition, as most often the answer and guidance will be delivered to you intuitively. We are with you always. Okay? So, parang kinonfirm niya lang yung readings mo, yung mga messages dito, Virgo. So, that's it. Trust your intuition. Do not anticipate negative things. Do not worry a lot. Okay? So, yun. Thank you so much, Virgo. Good luck to you. See you on the next video. Bye!